think this whiteboard just moved.
Missed. Might peek that though. I died.
Oh.
That sucks.
Here we go.
Coom Dumpster 69. What? Good kill.
Guess it wasn't sanitary.
Wow, you're fucking insane, dude.
That
guy's pissed.
Holy shit.
You shot him through the visor too. Other people's positions, but not his.
Right at the tower.
Are you at the rock?
I think I might have hit him, but you probably did.
Oh my god.
I
knew some shit was happening, but like, what the fuck?
I did get him.
Oh, nice.
You got his shit though.
Oh, negative.
Fuck. At the radio tower. At the one we were just at.
Yeah.
Fuck me.
Steps by me.
That might be me. Where are you?
That's you. Fuck, I thought you were over there looting the body.
That was me. Alright, I'm running towards you guys.
Let me know where you're at. Oh, there
Guys, right in front of you. Right in front of you, G. Do not peek that. To the right, to the right, to the right.
Yeah. He's running.
Yeah.
He's right behind that wall. He's right behind that.
Yeah!
Dead.
He's
Oh my god, did he hit you with all those bullets?
Yeah, dude, I'm fucked up.
Whoa!
Up
the hill.
Yeah, god damn it.
Fuck.
Fuck me, dude.
Two. Throwing a grenade. Throwing another.
He's at the wall.
Can't see him.
One's dead. I'm so fucked.
Killed one with a nade. Unless that's Nick's body.
It's probably. Is it right by the
Were you
wall?
wearing a blue Zuck armor?
Nah.
I'm medding, dude. I'm full sending.
I killed one with a nade, I think.
Good shit. What the fuck? I'm so fucked up, dude. Literally just
I'm pushing it.
CMS'd my shit. So glad I got that kill. Oh,
He's dead.
Good shit, dude. Fuck me.
Oh my god, one tap to the face, bro.
Why me, bro?
Thank the Lord.
There were 3 of them.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. You got a nade kill too?
Yeah, I did get a nade kill.
Right, I'm just in the corner of the map, just medding.
BP 7.62 rounds are pretty good, right?
Yeah, I'd shoot him.
I have
what a great
957
response,
of them.
dude.
The poor guy. Holy shit. He's
Is
in
he
the back
in there?
behind that furniture. Did you get him?
Yeah.
Scared the fuck out of me. Oh my god.
Oh!
Really?
Oh
Oh my
Why
god!
is he shooting me, dude?
I should have died right there, dude.
shit, is that you?
Train's leaving.
No, I'm on the body. I'm on the body.
Killed him.
He died. He definitely died. I just heard him die.
Shit.
Was it just
That
one?
shot was disgusting. No, I think it went like the other way. Oh my god. That guy.
That's a thick boy. Oh, he's right here. Got him.
Oh shit. I hear another one coming back the other way. I think. Yeah, he's there.
He's your side? Good job, G.
Let's go, dude.
Damn.
This guy got fucking destroyed.
Fuck, dude. Can I go to Chick-fil-A and make it back in 15 minutes?
Dude on the stairs. Dude on the stairs. On the stairs. On the stairs.
Okay.
I just saw him. Yes. Literally on that ramp right there. I have an angle through this window. I can't see him.
Got him.
Good shit. That was insane. I'm halfway.
Killed him.
Really? Holy
I
shit.
got TMC.
Yeah, I think they were teammates. Is that you in the back? He's in the. I think he's in the right. I think he's in that doorway you're looking in. I'm watching the stairs. I'm watching the stairs. Stairs. On the stairs. Staircase. I'm fucked. I'm so hurt. On the staircase. Okay, stairs, last guy. I'm painkillering. Keep fucking coughing. He's pushing. Oh, okay, great. Okay. No. Pushing staircase. Yep.
Got him, though.
You're insane.
What the fuck?